Alright, I'm going to gloss over my digital notebook for this Learning to Program by Stephen Foot. And this is how it starts off. This is the landing page. And over here at the left, this is my navigation area. This with the gray background is a iframe. You've got an audio player up here at the top. And down here at the bottom right, you have an image on top of an image. And I have an external JavaScript file that the browser knows what day of the week it is, and depending on what day of the week it is, it will give me this transparent Friday. Tomorrow it'll be Saturday, and so on and so forth. It's automated to show the day of the week. Let's see. I'm going to click my first chapter, your first program, and you can see 1.html is populated in my iframe here. If I click my chapter 2, we've got a different background picture. It's kind of like my H1 headers look like little windows, and as you scroll up you can see different parts of the background image. Know your computer, another picture. Build tools, yet another. It's just a nice little effect that I was playing around with. Some of the backgrounds are nicer than others. And alright, that's enough for now with that. So you get the gist. This chapter 1 goes over text editors and what they have to offer, gives you some examples and where to go to download either any of these, and what has a cost associated and what are free. Lets you know you need to create a project directory, create some test files. You start off creating kittenbook.html and kittenbook.js, two very simple files, and you want to make sure that they are pointing to each other. So here you're actually pointing to kittenbook.js in the kittenbook.html, and it's right there. After you check out how these two files talk to each other and how they work, you get into a third file called the manifest.json file. And again, that's a very short and easy file as well. Here I'm showing you the ordered list with list items. Ordered list, you see the numbers. And all of these where you see the code, it's a field set with a legend, and inside of that we have a text area in which I can type all my code in. Everything in orange is a paragraph. There's another field set with a legend and text area. Again, here's a header, it's an H1 header. More paragraphs, another paragraph. Down here we've got a footer with an icon that if I click on it, it will open up an MP4 file, and it's stuck, I don't know why, but there it goes. There it goes. So if I want to create a little video for each and every one of my chapters, I can attach it to that particular web page's icon here, and by clicking it, it can open up a new video for each chapter. Alright, so that's enough of explaining how this landing page works. Let's look at the new stuff. Let's make a browser extension. Alright, in my box I have a folder called Chrome Extensions, and these PEM and NEX and CRX files I'm going to delete because I want to show you how you're going to create them. The Kitten Book version 2 is what I'm going to show you. Version 1 I had a problem with, and version 3 I'm still working on, but version 2 is working. I have a couple of image files, ICO and ping, but the important files that we care about are these three: the HTML, the JS, and the Json files. So we're going to edit with Notepad++. Here is my super simple kittenbook.html. There's the HTML tags, there's the head tags, title tags, and the link for a bluestar.ico, ending head. There's the body tags, there's a paragraph, and here is a link to link the HTML file to the kittenbook.javascript file. That's it. That's all you get for that. Very simple, very easy. Then here's the kittenbook.js. We started off by showing you how the JavaScript would work by using an alert. And we commented that out because it was better to go with this version. Var username equals prompt hello, what's your name? So you're going to get a prompt box that asks you what's your name, and you're going to type it in, and it's going to go in this variable called username. After we do that, we've got this second statement that says document.body.innerHTML equals, and in your quotes you have an opening h1 tag followed by the word hello, and then outside of the quotes you have plus username plus, so whatever the value is of username, whatever you typed in when they pop up ask you what's your name, that's going to show up here, plus a little bit more of a string in quotes, an exclamation and ending h1 tag. So very, very simple there. Let's look at our manifest.json. In curly braces we have what looks like an object. It looks like a bunch of key value pairs. So you have something on the left of a quote, and it's also in quotes, and then you have a value here followed by a comma to go to the next line and do the next one. So manifest version is set to 2. Name is set to kitten book. That happens to be the name of the folder that my files reside in. Description is set to replace photos of Facebook with kittens. Version is set to 0.0.1. Icons have two different settings, and they are enclosed in their own curly braces. So for icons we have 48 set to bluestar.ping, comma, and 96 set to bluestar.ping. Then you close up your curly and end that whole thing with a comma before we get to content scripts on the left hand side, and then on the right hand side we have opening straight bracket, opening curly bracket, matches, colon, and then in straight brackets we have double quotes, asterisk, colon, / www.facebook.com / asterisk, close up the quotes, close up the square brackets, and add that comma so you can do the next one. Now this matches www.facebook.com, so any page that you get that has that as part of the URL, you are going to attach this to it. JS colon kittenbook.js, which is our JavaScript file. There's a closing curly, closing straight bracket, and final outer closing curly. So that finishes our manifest.json. Okay, that's it. 3 very short files. Now let's get them into a browser. Let's open up Google Chrome, and up here in the address bar, Chrome colon / extensions. As you can see right now, the only extension that's showing is Office Online. Click Load Unpacked. Go to the folder that you have your files in. Then it shows up down here at the bottom, and then click Select Folder. Now you see kitten book 0.0.1. But you see this called errors, so you click on it and it says that manifest underscore version. There's a problem with that. Cannot load extension with file or directory name desktop.ini. The file name is illegal. Alright, I browsed the internet to find out how to fix that, and the only thing that I found was just to, let's go back to where I was. I have to find it again now. Desktop, learning to program, box, Chrome extensions, version 2, select folder. How did I fix it? I forgot how I fixed it. Errors. I thought I could go back. Oh, details. Details. Go to details. Look for errors. Collect errors. Take that off. Now, it's still off. I should be able to do it again with no problem now. Learning to program, box, extensions, select folder. Let's go to pack extensions. Maybe that's all I needed to do is move to the next button. Now I have to go there again for this particular thing. Kitten book version 2, select folder. Okay, so then it fills this path. Pack extension. Created the following files. So I have an extension here with a .crx file name, and then I've got a key file path right here with a .pem file extension. It says keep your key file, which is this whole thing, key file, in a safe place. You'll need to create new version. You will need it to create new versions of your extension. Okay. All right. Update. I don't know what that's doing, but it just always sits there. But I think we're good now. So I'm going to go here and check out Facebook. Aha! Facebook.com says, hello, what's your name? Facebook.com is not going to do that. We attached our JavaScript to Facebook. So let's see what happens if you don't fill anything in here and you hit OK. It just says hello. Exclamation. What if you don't put anything in here and you hit cancel? It says hello null. Refresh. Hello, what's your name? Let's type something in now and click OK. Hello, Lisa. Let's refresh it again and let's put our name in, but let's cancel it. Hello, null. Okay, so I showed you the different ways that that could work, and you see how I attached it to Chrome. Now let's see if we can do the exact same thing with Opera. But I want to get rid of this first. So I want to turn it off. Remove extension right here. Remove kitten book, remove. Okay, so now we're back to before we even had the extension. We don't have an extension for kitten book anymore. Let's go to Opera. Menu, extensions, extensions. Here we just have an ad blocker. Let's try this button, load unpacked extension. And let's do the same thing about trying to find the folder we want. Chrome extensions. Version 2 worked. Okay. Here they're bitching about some errors again, which is in that first line. but we're just going to say collect errors. We're just going to untick that and reload. I have actually had to hit it twice before that error message went away. Pack extension version 2. Okay. Pack extension private key already exists. Please reuse that key or delete it first. Let's find it then. Let's see if I can find it. Desktop, learning to program, box, Chrome extensions. There it is. The key has .pem. So we click that. Now we pack extension. Created the extension. Yay. Alright. Now let's go to Facebook. Haha, hello, what's your name? Let's try our tests again. Don't put anything in and click OK. Hello. Don't put anything in and hit cancel. Hello, null. Put in your name and hit OK. Hello, Lisa. Put in your name and hit cancel. Hello, null. Alright. If we disable the extension that we created and refresh and try to go to Facebook, we should have no problem now. See, now we don't have that pop-up, that confirm box dialog coming up there. Alright, so that's it for creating browser extensions.